Today, we're testing if OpenAI can actually code Minecraft shaders in 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 1 full hour. And to make it fair, we're scaling up the AI model tiers. 1 minute will be handled by the ultra-fast 5.4 mini, 10 minutes, the balanced 5.6 tera, and the 1 hour, the heavy hitter 5.6 sol with max reasoning turned on. The rule, zero code fixes. The AI gives me a raw.zip file and I drop it straight into the folder. If it crashes, that's it. Let's see the results. I've already pre-prepared the prompts that I want to use for each AI model to make it fair for all of them and to make the 5.4 mini Lite not go insane. So the prompt is this: generate a complete working custom Minecraft shader pack formatted as a downloadable .zip file that I can drop directly to my Minecraft shader pack. And I gave it the specs of what I'm using, and I told it to make the lighting better and to add some shadowing. That's it. Let's see. Drop it in. 5.4 mini light just finished. I don't think it took that long. It's probably more than 1 minute, but you get the gist. Now it gave me this file. I'm gonna download it. Yes, sir. And this is the shaders folder. Yeah, let me just, okay. And now let's open Minecraft. Now we're in game. We have our 1 minute shader. Let's apply it. Is it done? Did nothing happen? I don't think anything happened. Let's go again. Shader pack. Apply. Done. I don't think it changed anything. Lol. So I'm guessing now we'll have to go to the 10 minutes shader, which is the 5.6 tera. And yeah, let's see the results of it. And this is the prompt for the Terra model. Act as a GLSL graphics developer. And let's put it quickly in the chat. And we'll be back when it finishes. So that was like 2 minutes, but the 10-minute shader is now done. I don't think it will work. I'll just give it the benefit of the doubt and hopefully it works. Now we'll open the game again. Now we're back in game. Let's see the second shader pack. 10-minute shader. Apply. Is it applied? I think it also doesn't work. Usually when you press K, it like auto regenerates. I don't know why it's saying this. Check the settings. Everything is working fine or should be working fine. I think ChatGPT just also missed the second one. They did shit. Terra is shit. So all hope is for the 1 hour one. Hopefully it'll take the cake. So we have opened a new chat. This is the prompt. It's a very big prompt for the Sol 5.6. Let's put this here. Model 5.6. Let's go Ultra and set it to, yeah, standard. And hopefully this will work and we'll see some epic fucking shaders. After exactly 1 hour and 5 minutes, GPT finished. It did a lot of thinking and etc, etc. Let's download the file and check it in game. Where's the shader file? Oh, fuck. Now we're back in game. I've loaded the shader. Let's enable it and hopefully, I can hope from the bottom of my heart that ChatGPT will do something in the 3 hours he wasted on me, 2 hours he wasted on me. See, I think I'm doing something wrong. I'm afraid that I'm doing something wrong. That's why the shaders are not working. I know I said I'm not gonna send them a second prompt, but liar! I don't want this to be my fault for whatever reason. So let's go back to ChatGPT and tell him what's going on. So now ChatGPT will think and give us a solution, hopefully soon. I knew something was wrong with how they did the shader. It's their fault. I'm gonna go back on my word that they only have one prompt just to see the output. We had 0 shaders until now. Let's see. We're back in game. Let's now go to the settings and enable the 1 hour shader pack. Oh, okay. Before even pressing done, I see a huge difference. Oh, what the fuck? That's actually nice. We have shadows. This is the water. And oh, okay. It tried to make waves, as you can see from the lines. Actually, it looks nice. And the shadows from the leaves. I mean, they're not fully procedural like you see in the big boy shaders. But come on, 1 hour, 10 minutes probably of like one prompt. The Water ripples. Okay, it looks like it's rippling. If you come close, you'll see the lines. Basically, it's still nice. I like the shadows. Oh my god, the shadows are actually very wonderful. I think with a couple of more prompts, this will actually turn out into a professional grade, what is it called? Shader. But holy, let's see sunset. How does it look like? At night looks a bit, it's a bit janky. You can see deep inside the ocean. And like there's this weird glitch here. I don't know what the fuck's going on. So the ocean needs fixing. Oh, okay, wow. So the red lines on this area here are actually disappeared. And this is the lava source. This is how it shows. Not bad. But FPS wise, I'm struggling. 60 FPS, holy. I usually get much more. 38 FPS if I'm flying. 44, oh, imagine with the Elytra. You get fucked. Anyway, I think it did well. Of course, there's more to be done, but it did close to Kimi. But Kimi still had the daylighting better, but it was glitched a lot. This isn't glitched. So I would say ChatGPT won on the 1 hour formula because it took just one fixed prompt. Kimi took more. And yeah, I think we'll see Claude maybe soon. Subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.